Hi there, Michael from Rokform, and today we're going to be unboxing and installing the new universal bike mount. So now we're unboxing our universal bike mount. So when we open it up, we'll see all the features that are included. This is our universal bike mount, so it works on any set of handlebars that you've got. We've got the different spaces that are included. When we open up the box here, we'll have our installation guide, as well as information there for other Rokform products. And here is the bike mount itself. So we've got our RokLock here that works with all Rokform cases. And this new and improved version has a MagSafe ring around this edge, so it gives you a little bit extra bite and grip onto your phone. And then here we have all of the spacers that are included. We also include a lanyard so that you can attach that to your phone and handlebars as well for extra security. And then additionally, the installation Torx wrench that you can use to install using the Allen screw right there onto the handlebars. And lastly, we've got a thumb screw here. So if you want, you can have temporary or more temporary installation. This can be used in place of this screw that is installed with the Torx wrench. Now let's get to the installation. So now that we've got everything unboxed, we've got our mount right here, the TPU spacer, the thumb screw, and the Torx wrench to use with the screw right there. I went ahead and installed the lanyard onto the rugged case with the lanyard slot. That also works on our crystal cases. And so now we'll go ahead with the installation. So first things first, we need to install the TPU spacer onto the bars. So they have that little opening there, so you can just fit it over the bars nicely. And then we will need to remove the screw from the base of the mount. So we can use this Torx wrench for that. And if we want, we can first install with the thumb screw. So this is nice if you want to take the mount off of the bike, like if you're switching between bikes or something like that. There you go. And then the hand screw just fits in the bottom there. We can tighten it nicely. And then we can test out our mount. So like I said, I've got the rugged case here. You do have to remove your plug so it fits with the RokLock there. So we'll put it down and it'll have some magnetic bite because of the MagSafe ring. And then we'll have to twist lock it, and then we're ready to go for a bike ride. All right, and now we can swap out that thumb screw for the Allen screw. So we'll start by taking out that thumb screw here. And then we will install the Allen screw with the Torx wrench. So this is nice if you want a more permanent installation. The thumb screw is nice if you need to take the mount on and off, if you're gonna switch between bikes. But this is nice if you know you're just putting it on your mountain bike, your road bike, and going for regular rides. All right, and now we can install the phone and the lanyard over the mount. So we'll put that right here over. We'll cinch down the lanyard here to keep it nice and secure. Then we'll lock the phone to the mount, just like that. We got the magnet bite, and then twist lock it, and it's secure, and we're ready for our ride. Thanks for watching our unboxing and installation videos of the universal bike mount. You can stop by our showroom in Irvine or check us out online at rokform.com to grab yours, as well as any other phone accessories and speakers.